Hello everyone, my name is Michael Hove. I work at the SABC. I am quite chuffed to be here to just introduce myself and the work that I do for Gear for Thuthuka. So I'm very passionate about volunteering. I volunteer a lot, and the Gear Up for Thuthuka just was a match made in heaven. Why? Because I love running, and through my love for running, I can then showcase it to other people who are not necessarily in the program, be able to see how I contribute just by my passion for running. And at each and every event that I participate in, people are encouraged. They see me posting on my socials, they have seen my running journey and how it fits in well with the Gear for Thuthuka program.